SpaceX stands on the verge of a remarkable achievement: Starship Block 2. This new version of their groundbreaking spacecraft is set to revolutionize space travel as we know it. This next iteration of their colossal spacecraft promises a new era of space exploration. With advanced technology and innovative design, Starship Block 2 aims to surpass all expectations. Starship is not just another rocket, it represents a paradigm shift in how we approach space travel, combining power, efficiency, and reusability in a way never seen before. It's a fully reusable transportation system. This means that each component of the Starship can be used multiple times, significantly reducing the cost and environmental impact of space missions. It's designed to carry humans and cargo to destinations like the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Imagine a future where traveling to another planet is as routine as a flight across the globe. The anticipation surrounding Block 2 is palpable. Enthusiasts and experts alike are eagerly awaiting the next big leap in space exploration. It incorporates lessons learned from previous tests. Each failure and success has provided invaluable data, helping to refine and perfect the design. These lessons will push the boundaries of space travel even further. The innovations developed for Starship Block 2 will pave the way for future missions and technological advancements. With each successful launch and landing, we edge closer to a future where interplanetary travel becomes routine. The dream of colonizing other planets is no longer a distant fantasy but a tangible goal within our reach. The journey begins with innovation. Every step forward brings us closer to unlocking the mysteries of the universe and expanding the horizons of human potential. The excitement is not just about the technology, but about the endless possibilities it brings. At the heart of Starship's reusability lies its remarkable landing system. Unlike traditional rockets that splash down in the ocean, Starship is designed to touch down vertically. Imagine a skyscraper gracefully landing back on its foundation after a trip to orbit. To achieve this, Starship employs a set of grid fins and flaps. These flaps are crucial for controlling the spacecraft's descent. They act like the wings of a bird, adjusting their angle to steer and stabilize Starship as it navigates the atmosphere. The precision required for this maneuver is astounding. It's like threading a needle from space. The journey to perfecting Starship's landing system hasn't been without its challenges. Early test flights of the Starship prototypes, known as Starship hoppers, provided invaluable data. These tests revealed areas for improvement, particularly in the design of the flaps. Some early prototypes experienced issues during landing. The flaps weren't always able to provide sufficient control in the final moments before touchdown. These tests, while dramatic, were essential learning experiences. They highlighted the need for a more robust and responsive flap system. Refined flaps for enhanced control. In this section, we delve into the advancements made in the flap design of the Starship Block 2, a critical component for its enhanced maneuverability and control. Enter Starship Block 2, boasting significant upgrades to its flap design. These flaps are not just minor tweaks but represent a major leap in aerospace engineering, aimed at improving the overall performance of the spacecraft. These enhancements are key to achieving the precision and control required for safe and reliable landings. The ability to land accurately is crucial for the reusability of the spacecraft, which is a cornerstone of SpaceX's mission to reduce the cost of space travel. The new flaps are larger and more robust. This increased size and strength allow them to withstand the intense forces experienced during re-entry and landing, ensuring they remain functional and effective throughout the mission. They offer a greater surface area, which translates to increased control authority during atmospheric re-entry and landing. This means the spacecraft can make more precise adjustments to its trajectory, improving its ability to land exactly where intended. These larger flaps allow Starship to make finer adjustments. This is particularly important during the critical phases of re-entry and landing, where even small deviations can have significant consequences. They can better counteract atmospheric disturbances and maintain a stable trajectory. This stability is essential for ensuring the safety of the spacecraft and its payload, whether it be cargo or crew. Think of it like having a larger rudder on a ship. You have more leverage to steer through rough seas. Similarly, the enhanced flaps give Starship the ability to navigate through the turbulent conditions of re-entry with greater ease and precision. The development of these refined flaps involved extensive research and testing. Engineers used advanced simulations and real-world testing to optimize the design, ensuring it meets the rigorous demands of space travel. The result is a flap system that not only enhances control, but also contributes to the overall reliability and success of the Starship program. With these improvements, SpaceX is one step closer to making space travel more accessible and sustainable. Contrasting approaches: Starship versus Space Shuttle. Starship's flap design stands in stark contrast to NASA's Space Shuttle. While both spacecraft utilized flaps for atmospheric control, their approaches differed significantly. The Space Shuttle relied on a combination of flaps and a large vertical tail fin. This design was effective for controlled gliding descent. Starship, however, takes a bolder approach. Its flaps are designed for both atmospheric control and aerodynamic braking. This allows for a steeper descent profile and pinpoint landings. The flaps essentially enable Starship to fly through the atmosphere like a controlled skydiver. Embracing iteration for progress. SpaceX's approach to development is characterized by rapid iteration and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. They don't shy away from pushing the boundaries. Each test flight, whether a resounding success or a fiery learning experience, provides valuable data. This iterative process has been instrumental in the evolution of Starship's flap design. By analyzing data from each flight, SpaceX engineers can identify areas for improvement. They can then refine the design and test it again. This cycle of testing and refinement is at the heart of SpaceX's success. A future shaped by reusability. Starship Block 2, with its enhanced flap design, represents a major leap towards realizing the dream of making space travel more accessible and sustainable. These flaps are not just a technical marvel, they symbolize the innovative spirit driving humanity's quest to explore the stars. The engineers behind this design have poured countless hours into perfecting every detail, ensuring that each mission is safer and more efficient than the last. Reusability is the key to unlocking the cosmos. By reusing rockets, we can significantly cut down on the resources needed for each launch. This not only makes space travel more affordable, but also more environmentally friendly. Imagine the possibilities when rockets can be launched, landed, and relaunched with minimal refurbishment. This is the future that SpaceX is working tirelessly to create. It dramatically reduces the cost of spaceflight. Lower costs mean that more organizations, including educational institutions and smaller companies, can participate in space missions. This democratization of space access could lead to a surge in innovation and discovery as more minds contribute to the exploration of the final frontier. Imagine a future where traveling to space is as commonplace as flying across the Atlantic. Space tourism could become a booming industry, offering people the chance to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet from orbit. This could foster a greater appreciation for Earth and a stronger commitment to preserving it. With Starship, that future is within reach. The spacecraft's versatility allows it to perform a variety of missions, from ferrying astronauts to the International Space Station to embarking on deep space explorations. Each successful mission brings us one step closer to making space travel a routine part of human life. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, one thing is certain: the journey will be filled with challenges. These challenges, however, are opportunities for growth and innovation. The dedicated teams at SpaceX are constantly solving complex problems, paving the way for future missions. But with each challenge overcome, we inch closer to a future where humanity becomes a multiplanetary species. Establishing colonies on the Moon and Mars will require unprecedented levels of collaboration, ingenuity, and perseverance. Yet the rewards of such endeavors are immeasurable, offering new horizons for human civilization. And that is a future worth striving for. The vision of a multiplanetary existence is not just a dream, it is a tangible goal that we are steadily working towards. Every launch, every landing, and every innovation brings us closer to this extraordinary future. Together, we can turn the dream of interplanetary life into a reality.